In the heart of Nigeria, nestled within the lush tropical and subtropical regions of Edo State, lies a community that thrives thanks to a remarkable tree, the palm tree. Welcome to Ikpe Waterside community, where the very essence of life revolves around this majestic and versatile plant. Palm trees, with their towering trunks and distinct fronds, are more than just part of the scenery here. They are the lifeblood of Ikpe.
The fact that this community lives on everything that Mother Nature has blessed it with. They don't need anything from the outside. They will sustain themselves in perpetuity.
This small community, situated just beyond Upper Sakmoba in Benin City, finds its identity and sustenance intertwined with the palm tree.
Like these communities and Ikpe Waterside, now here they born us, now here we grow, now here we know, and our home.
Ikpe is renowned for its bamboo houses and the production of local gin, known as kai or ogogoro, crafted through fractional distillation processes.
Set fire.
For how long?
That's it. 30 minutes.
It's here that we meet John, a palm wine tapper, who leads us into the captivating world of palm wine tapping. Tappers embark on journeys deep into the creeks using canoes where palm trees flourish in abundance. With skill and determination, they climb these colossal trees, relying on ropes made from the palm's own fronds tied securely around their waists.
25 liters every day. That is what we get from it.
And it can produce for up to a month?
Yes.
The palm wine begins fermenting as soon as it leaves the tree, thanks to natural yeasts. The longer it ferments, the higher its alcohol content, and the less sweet, giving it a distinct souring flavor. Any surplus palm wine is transformed into the renowned local gin, kai or ogogoro, a staple at celebrations such as weddings.
If they don't finish selling the palm wine for the day, they take it back into the fire and then they convert it into sapele water. I mean, that for me, there's no waste.
However, the palm tree's significance to Ikpe goes beyond beverages. It's a vital resource for daily life, providing shelter, sustenance, and materials for various needs. The art of weaving intricate roots from palm fronds has been passed down through generations, offering protection from the scorching sun and tropical rain showers. From roofing sheets crafted from palm tree leaves to climbing ropes ingeniously made from the palm's roots, these trees are central to survival.
Palm fence, roofing sheet, and then rope for climbing. How many things did we just count now? Like 6.
For the people of Ikpe, palm trees are not just a part of their heritage, they are their lifeline. A single gallon of palm wine can fetch up to 15,000 naira, providing a crucial source of income for the community.
One thing in the industry can give you 5-6 things. We should be employers of labor by looking around us and tapping and taking advantage of the things that we're blessed with. A lot of the youth keep talking about, I want a job, I want a job. Jobs are not permanent. Your environment has everything you need to sustain yourself beyond any job.
As we conclude our journey through Ikpe Waterside community, we are left with a profound understanding of the deep bond between the palm tree and its people. This natural wonder sustains not only their traditions, but also their livelihoods.